What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing this rear lip on my Honda Prelude. Basically it's a pretty straightforward thing. All you have to do is remove this OEM lip that it comes with and then just unbolt it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then we're going to sand and prime this lip and paint it to the same color as the car. I'm gonna show you guys how to install that as well. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off by removing the rear lip. There is a 10mm holding the rear lip on this corner and on the other corner as well. So I'm gonna show you where that is. As you guys can see, that's where the 10mm bolt is. You can see the top part right there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this one. This is on the right hand side of the car, and there's another one on the left hand side as well. Other than that, there's also other clips here that you just have to remove. That's one. There's another one over there, and that's what we're gonna do to remove this rear lip. Alright guys, so in this middle spot, in the middle of the thing of the rear lip, there's gonna be a screw, a bolt, 10mm, that's gonna be very hard to remove if it's rusty. Just make sure you remove that and then continue just popping the clips out of place. Okay guys, so a quick explanation. I was painting the rear lip upside down, as you saw in the previous view, but the paint was not mixing in the spray can very well, and it wasn't coming out. It was basically causing a mess, as you can see on the lip. So I installed the lip the same order as when I removed the original lip and installed this one. I used all new clips, and then I'm just gonna have to re-sand this again just a little bit, apply some primer, and then try and painting it again so it can look a lot better. This is what I mean. So as you can see, the paint here is a little bit bad, so we're gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so this is the end result of installing the rear lip on the car. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.